Join me as I challenge myself to earn real money online using just these 10 beginner-friendly sites. Earning money online sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Imagine making a living from the comfort of your own home, with just a laptop and an internet connection. But for many of us, the idea of earning money online seems like a distant fantasy, something that's only possible for a select few. The truth is, making money online can be tough, especially when you're just starting out. You've probably come across countless websites and opportunities that promise the world but deliver nothing but disappointment. And then there's the information overload. With so many options out there, it's hard to know where to begin. Many people have been scammed or have lost money trying to make a quick buck online, which makes it even harder to trust the legitimate opportunities out there. And let's not forget the technical skills required. Not everyone is tech savvy, and the thought of navigating complex platforms can be daunting. But what if I told you that there are websites out there that can help you earn real money online, without requiring any prior experience or technical skills? These platforms are designed to be beginner-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started. Swagbucks is one such platform that lets you earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash via PayPal. Another site is Fiverr, where you can offer your skills and services starting at $5 per gig. If you're good at writing or designing, you can make a decent income on this platform. Upwork is a freelance platform that connects you with businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with various projects. You can offer your services as a freelancer and get paid for your work. Survey Junkie is another site that rewards you for taking online surveys, with points that can be redeemed for cash or e-gift cards. User Testing is a site that pays you for testing websites and providing feedback on user experience. You can earn $10 for every 20-minute test, making it a quick and easy way to make some extra cash. One site that stands out from the rest is Fiverr, and I've seen many people succeed on this platform by offering high-demand services like digital marketing, writing, and graphic design. The key to success on Fiverr is to create a strong profile, offer competitive pricing, and deliver high-quality work to your clients. The 10 sites I've mentioned are Swagbucks, Fiverr, Upwork, Survey Junkie, User Testing, Freelancer, Inbox Dollars, TutorMe, Rev.com, and Amazon's Mechanical Turk. These sites offer a range of opportunities for making money online, from freelancing and surveys to tutoring and testing websites. So, which of these sites are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about making money online, be sure to check out my related videos for more tips and tricks.